Yeah, I was just gonna say, bro. Oh, there's one right there. I got that on GoPro, bro. Yeah, another one. That's a bass. Bro, that was sick. I saw. I thought you saw it.
There. Wait, there's one there.
Yeah. Wait, is that? Of course, bro. Oh, there's a big one right there. He went and looked at it and then swam away, bro. That was a big one, wasn't it? Did he eat it? Oh, oh my God, that's a giant. There's two. No! Is he still right there? He's still right there. Hold on, let me get it. I got him.
Yes, bro.
There goes my. Oh! Boat flip. Yeah! Let's go!
Oh my God,
Let's go, dude! Give me some! Let's go! Oh my God!
Bro! I got the scale.
Dude, that is a unit! Yeah!
Grab him. Don't get bit. Holy Hudson!
Dude, that is a stud.
Oh,
That is a stud, dude. That is a stud. Okay.
bro. I got the scale.
Oh my gosh! Yes!
Bro, you were so pumped.
Yeah, 5 flat. 5 pounder, let's go! Let's go, dude.
Bro, that's
Let's go, dude.
Give me your phone.
That's a chunker. It's in my pocket. There we go, boys. First snakehead ever. Smacked the frog. Sight casted him. Got the GoPro rolling too. It's gonna be awesome footage. Let's get him back. Oh, thing's giant, bro. Which way do you usually go?
You like that one? Yep.
Bro, you gotta stop killing him, bro.
Did you get that on video?
Yes. A live
Nice little
snakehead.
2.5 pounder.
He's pissed himself.
Yeah, he's
He's dead,
he's
bro.
not doing too well.
That's a bass. No, it's a snakehead.
Little snake.
He's pocket sized, bro. Yay. pretty snakehead. They look really cool when they're small. Oh, that's a decent one. There we go. Dude, right. I got so scared. I saw the eat and I went like this and leaned back. Holy bro. I totally just ate shit. Possibly.
Yeah, probably about 2.
Here we go. Another good one. Smoked it. Hear that? Tim.
That's a solid one.
Oh, Liam's on too. Yep, we're doubled. Get him up. Oh, he ate shit. Get him. Get him. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, bro, that's a fat one. That's a fat one, bro. Let's go.
Dude. Oh, bro.
He ate it, bro.
You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
All right, buddy.
Sorry.
Come on.
No, I'm getting back at you for that TikTok.
Side of it so that
So it doesn't.
And he's gone. All right.
Bang. Liam just caught what, 5'4"?
5'4".
5'4".
And then I had this one. He let it go already.
Just tore my yeah, I let it go.
I'll just.
Intentionally.
Yeah, yeah.
Sweet. Oh. Here we go. It's not bad.
What? Stay out of the 2.5.
Yeah.